According to the Dade County Sheriff's Office, the case of a police dog who died from heat exposure in the back of her handler's car is now in front of the district attorney. Tonight, we share our conversation with an animal shelter official who says the situation was dangerous from the start. Thanks for watching. I'm Kim Chapman-Whitfield. Viewers have reached out to us wondering just how long the canine was in the back of that car. A spokesperson for the Sheriff's Office tells us they know the time frame but will not release more information until the district attorney makes the final decision. Ray Criado explains why even a few minutes can sometimes be a matter of life and death.
It's a lot harder for dogs and cats to really cool themselves. They don't have the ability to sweat the same way that we do. So you'll see the dogs excessively panting. You'll see them excessively drooling. That's them trying to cool themselves off.
This is Georgia. For most of her life, Dade County Sheriff's Office officials say she served her community as a member of the Sheriff's Canine Unit. However, with heat index values as high as 102 degrees, authorities say Georgia died after a deputy left her unattended in a squad car. Eastridge Animal Shelters, Jenny Van Asdal says, while it may be hot outside, it's even worse in your car.
Your car is anywhere between 10 to 20 degrees hotter than it is outside. So basically, by the time you're getting up to like 75, 80 degrees, it is completely unsafe for that dog to be in the car. It's definitely unsafe for those dogs to be in the car. It doesn't matter that your windows are down or anything like that. It is too hot. It takes 15 minutes for a dog to literally start to have a heat stroke from being overheated.
According to authorities, while normally safe due to built-in systems, in this particular case, the air conditioner compressor along with the heat alarm malfunctioned while Georgia's handler was inside the sheriff's office.
Those dogs generally stay in the car for 12 hours. That's a general shift, and but the officer's generally with them the entirety of that. And in this particular case, you know, there was an extended period of time that the handler was not with the dog, and that's what ended up occurring as to why the dog was not found in a timely manner.
Chad Payne with the sheriff's office says the deputy in question no longer has a job.
The officer and the handler knew that heat alarm did not work. Therefore, it was his responsibility to make sure the dog was not left unattended long enough for anything to happen to her.
But Van Asdal argues dogs should never stay in the car alone, even if the car has a working AC.
Don't travel with your dog if you don't have to. If they can't go where you're going, they don't need to go. Let them stay at home. They're safer that way.
In Dade County, Ray Collado, News Channel 9.